Hello, what's your name? Hi, my name is Salini. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. What do you do for? I'm a teacher. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have a brother. Where are you from? I'm from Mumbai. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. What day is it today? It's Monday. Can you help me? Of course. What do you need? What are your hobbies? I like to cook. Would you like some tea? Yes, please. What time is it? It's 3. Can I help you with anything? No, I'm good. Thanks. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. How was your weekend? It was relaxing. Do you have any plans for tomorrow? Not yet. What's your favorite season? I like autumn. Do you play any musical instrument? Yes, I play the guitar. How do you relax? I watch TV or read.